This hurts so bad. Excuse me. Okay, I have to fix my makeup. Let's see what we're working with. Excuse me. They just hurt, like bad.